how to give access to your Facebook ad account, pages, settings, so then somebody else can run your ads and so forth. So what you do first, obviously you have to be logged into Facebook. So log into Facebook here, then come down here, click these menu, scroll down, and this may change, right? Facebook changes their stuff all the time. Click the ads button. This is gonna open up Ads Manager. And so give it a second to load. Just hit X on this. You don't really wanna run an ad. Now you're gonna come in here and hit these 3 lines, go to All Tools, go and click Business Settings. Now you may have multiple business accounts, multiple accounts that you manage, so make sure you select the correct account. Click that to the correct account. Then what you do is just go into People here. You click People and you're gonna click Add. Type in Add, and whatever email address you want to send, you type it in here. So you type in whatever here. Type in the email, select admin access, just hit next. Then you want to select the pages and what you're highlighting. If it's a new page, it's in here. If it's a classic page, it's in here. So let's give somebody access to this page here. Come in and that's all moved over. Manage page, so I click that. That's important. Then I go to the add account and I select the ad account. Come in here, manage ad account, that's clicked over here. Catalog, if there's associated with the catalog at all. If there's an e-commerce or any of that, you can associate that catalog, check that box over. And then if there's an app, if you have a developer, you develop an app, you would select the app you are and select manage app. In the pixel, you would come in here, search for the pixel, check that and select manage pixel, make sure that's all set over. If you did something incorrectly, for example, if I selected something and I didn't move these things over or I didn't have access to it, then this invite won't show. So it's important that you make sure everything's set up correctly so then the invite will show. So now that that's unchecked, that invite works and I just want to hit invite and then that will send them the email. If for some reason you send the invite and it doesn't work, just hit done and go back to that profile here that you added and hit resend. Let's say they didn't get the email. All you have to do is then copy this and email that to them or text them or message them. And so then all they have to do is click that link and then it will give them access to all those things. So if they didn't receive the email, like I said, you just click resend and the link will come up and you can give them access. If you obviously want to get rid of them, you just hit cancel, cancel the invitation. And it's just that simple. That's how you invite somebody to your ad accounts. Let's say you're not having this screen pull up. It's going to probably send you to what's called your business, facebook.com. You need to set up a business manager account where you can manage ad accounts and pages and people. So everything's in here. So for example, this is a business manager account here. So you can see that set up in here. These are other business manager accounts that I have access to. And to set somebody up to give them access, that is one of the easiest and fastest way to do so in Facebook. All right, thank you.